Hello, everyone. Happy March. I'm here today to dive into what's going on and what does lemon and abode do. Um, Lots of things have been going on in my world here. I sat for the exam. It's a national board certification as a health and wellness coach this last Monday, and I think I did pretty good on it. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I will be one of the newest national board certified health coaches here in the United States. It is not a common thing. It is the word health coach is overused, and many people are not trained to actually be health coaches. They more so are pushing products, pushing weight loss, pushing specific things that aren't necessarily optimal long term. And as someone who's dove into my own nutrition, has family members that have needed support with nutrition and prevention, reversal of lifestyle diseases, and then also living with lifestyle diseases like my dad with Alzheimer's. I'm very passionate about digging into the bioindividuality of each person. And so that is something kind of the next step in my vision and in my passion, truly. And essential oils are a tool in that. And I love the essential oils. Been with doTERRA for it'll be 9 years this summer, which is crazy to think of. Um, and so they always are a part of my journey. And so this month in my newsletter, in social media, we're talking about ditching toxins. We're talking about cleaning and removing that, because all of those are endocrine disruptors. All of those create inflammation, create disease, create long-term health problems. And toxins are something that a lot of people don't think of. But when you on repeat are giving yourself a small dose of toxins, whether it's in your cleaning supplies, in your laundry soap, in your air, in your environment, in your clothing, like it's everywhere. And so the awareness is key, and doing what you can is key, because you can't control everything. And so that is definitely a passion of mine. So we're talking today about Abode. Abode is amazing. I want to show you these studies that were done. These are some of the bacterias, and I'm sorry it's not, I'll zoom in a little bit. It's hard to read when you zoom in, but it's E. coli, it's staph, it's um, aspergillus, it's all of the things that you find in kitchens, actually, bacterias that might be in a kitchen. They might be around cat litter boxes. They might be in a bathroom. They might be just various places where, if you have animals, or if you cook with meat or eggs, any of those things, you need Abode in your life. And so that is 10% off. You can buy the single to try it out if you haven't tried it, and you can buy Abode. Now, a common question I'm often asked is, what's the difference between Abode and the On Guard concentrate? On Guard concentrate is really to support immune system. So it's great when there is a virus, or you're preventing virus and you're spraying windowsills, light switches, surfaces. Like, it's great to clean most common, areas with On Guard. But when it comes to heavier duty cleaning, like the floors, because your animals go outside and walk on feces, right? So that, if you have dogs, if you have cats, floors should be cleaned with Abode, and it's a better option. Not saying that they're not going to get clean with On Guard. It's just Abode's going to be a better option. It's going to clean any of these potential bacteria that are lurking. So that is on sale this month. That is the biggest difference. Think that is why we have a whole On Guard line. It's to support your immune system. We have lozenges, we have On Guard oil. We have On Guard beadlets, so a lot On Guard capsules. So a lot of the things are meant to consume to give your body a high dose antioxidant with the clove and cinnamon. Abode is never for consumption. So the oil is great for purifying, cleaning the air, or making your own DIY stuff. But the cleaner is only for surface use. It is only for floors, kitchen sinks, refrigerators, like all the places where raw food might be lurking, in addition to anything that like high bacterial transfer might occur. So your bathrooms, your kitchens, your floors, cat litter boxes. It's great for that. Okay, lemon. Lemon is my super secret oil that I use a lot of. I clean fruits and vegetables with it. I use it as a window cleaner with vinegar. I use it as a stain stick with equal parts On Guard concentrate and On Guard laundry detergent. 30 drops of lemon oil. It works wonders to remove stains. We have one of those nuggets, and I use the stain stick on this spot of, I don't even know what it was, but it almost looked like tomato sauce of some kind, and was able to completely get that stain out. And it had been sitting there for a long time when I found it, and I was like, oh, this needs to be cleaned. I've used it to remove strawberry stains, chocolate stains, and coffee stains as well. So a lot of those hard, difficult ones, even grease spots, it has worked wonders. So you can utilize lemon for a lot. A lot of times I'll make a paste with lemon and baking soda and let that set on my glass counter or my glass stovetop, and that helps as well. Lemon is also a natural goo-gone. So if you have a sticker, which I don't have one handy, but if you have a sticker that is just stubborn, won't come off, put a drop of lemon or two, let it sit, wipe it off, and it comes right out. Now, Malama is, it's part of a promotion. There was the diffuser with the Malama, the bubble diffuser, which if you don't have one of those, keep your eyes peeled. They're sold out already this month, but they were available for Christmas and red. Seasonally, they add them with promotions and whatnot, but they're amazing for motion activated diffusing. So if you have a space like bathrooms where you want constant fresh or air purification, my office, I have one right over here on my bookshelf. All of those places are great places to have like motion activated aromas. And these are great because you can charge them, you can relocate them wherever, you can rotate them with different aromas. You literally put the bottle in the diffuser and you can have 2 different options, regular or high. And that's how many squirts of essential oils come out at a time. They are awesome. Once they came out, I fell in love with them. But the Malama blend is really uplifting, inspiring, motivating. It's a great one to have around your house. It's a great one if seasonal blues are still lingering. We're about to have a big snowstorm here in Colorado, and I'm wanting spring. I'm ready. I'm fostering. I'm channeling my inner spring because March is one of my favorite months because it's like that transference of winter, and there's some snow still here in Colorado, but then like my tulips are starting to come out of the ground and emerge. So it's just this balance of, hey, renewal and new growth and new life is all coming, and I'm starting to see buds, which is very exciting too. So those are the promotions going on this month. If you have any questions, please reach out. I am always happy to connect. Something else to look forward to in email and also in social media channels is please vote if you are interested in having a like oil evening or afternoon where we open up a forum. Everyone's able to pop in and just ask any type of questions regarding essential oils. Maybe it's oils that are sitting on your shelves and you haven't used them in a long time. You don't know what to do with them. Maybe you just want a refresher on what can I use for this specific ailment. These would not be a recorded session. They would literally be my gift to you as a time of connection and being on our team, and also helping you utilize the oils if you have ones that you're sitting and you're like, what is the purpose of this one? So I am excited to offer that here in the next few months. Please stay tuned. And then also my Mondays with Mel are going to be coming back. I'm not going to set a specific time. I find with my schedule, it's difficult to set a specific time where I'm always on video because my Mondays have just kind of shifted as I've expanded my business, which is a beautiful thing. And so I have different weeks. I need different times. So I will be coming on live on Mondays. And if you see the video, pop on, say hello, comment if you watch it later, ask questions. That's what that is for. And so if you were on Facebook, definitely utilize that as well. So thanks for being part of our community. Have a wonderful month of March. See you soon.